Testing 1 2. So here is a so here is a simple I'm going to show you a quick way, an easy way. I'm going to show you an easy and quick way to build your own mattress from the components that we have available on the Latex Mattress Factory website. You go to the drop-down menu, it says Latex Toppers, and we'll select the Dunlop topper page. And if you're going to build a 3-layer mattress, as an example, and you're going to build it with the base layers being Dunlop and the top layer being Talalay, we will first go to the Dunlop page, and we want it to be, say, 3 inches. We'll select the 3 inches, but we want to build a queen. So we have a queen. We select the queen drop down, and the base layer will be firm. So we'll select the firmness as firm, and it's a 3-inch layer. We simply add that to the cart. It's $279. We add that to the cart, and you see it's in the cart over here. We go back for our next layer, the middle layer, and it's still a queen, obviously, and the firmness is going to be medium. So we select medium, and we still have 3 inches as the default, and we add that to the cart. Now you see we have the bottom layer that's firm and the second layer that is medium. Now we're going to go and get our Talalay layer. In order to do this, Talalay is not on this drop down page, so we go back to our Latex Toppers and we select the Talalay product page, and we select our queen. Then we select soft. The base layer is Dunlop firm, the second layer medium layer, middle layer is medium, and the top layer is going to be Talalay soft. And we have that selected, and we're going to stay with 3 inches. Of course, you could do it in 2 inches. And we add that to the cart. So now we are at 878. Our next step would be to select our cover. Do we want a cotton and wool cover with a full zipper on it, or do we want a stretch thinner cover, which is less expensive? We'll select the stretch cotton cover because that's the only thing we have available right now. And we need to have a queen. We select the queen, and the thickness is going to be 9 inches. And we add it to the cart. So now we have, as you see, the base layer Dunlop is firm, 38 ILD, 279. Second layer medium, 229. The third layer, the Talalay layer, is 370. That's soft. And we have our cover at $119, $997. Review the order and proceed to checkout. And there you have it.